water pipe, quartz cavity, flange, thermocouple, sample stage, trachea, insulated tray. The sample stage should be installed in this order when installing. First install the quartz cavity. Be careful when installing this screw. Symmetrical twist. Tighten it gently first. See this seal? Flat seal. Just flatten it and it's okay. Like this, the sealing ring has been flattened. Tighten the screws. Pay attention to this seam. The seams must be even. At this point, the installation of the quartz cavity is completed. Then arrange the intake pipes in order. Then install the intake pipe. Penetrate into this hole. Then gently twist it. Screw on top. Don't use too much force here. Just tighten it by hand. Next, start installing the heat shield. Pay attention to the position of the heat insulation plate. Basically this location, about 1 centimeter away. Next, install the sample stage. This raised part faces upwards. Then first insert the large end of the sample stage into the quartz cavity. From below this, the big hole in this heat shield sticks out. Install the fixed parts one by one in order. Pull the sample stand through. Tighten it here with your hands until you can't turn it anymore and it's locked. Next we install the thermocouple. The thermocouple goes through this hole. There is a sealing ring here to seal it. Tighten the screws. Thermocouple has positive and negative poles. We have markings on it. Connect the positive pole to the positive pole, and the negative pole to the negative pole. Connect according to label. Then install the protective cover. Be sure to pay attention to the position of the heat insulation plate here. Pay attention to the water spray on the surface of the quartz cavity. Is to lubricate the sealing side. Very convenient when moving the tube back and forth. Tighten the screws to lock the cavity. After locking it, let's push and pull the barrel. Check to see if there is any impact on the cavity. If it is not smooth, adjust the screw and move the quartz tube up, down, left and right. Next we connect the water cooler. Next we connect the vacuum pump. The air inlet of the gas bottle is connected below. Loosen the screws and place the sample. Place the sample on the sample stage. Check the position of the heat shield. Slide the furnace body and tighten the screws. Turn on the water cooler switch. Turn on the vacuum pump switch. Turn on the annealing furnace switch. Set a curve. Set a temperature and holding time according to process requirements. After setting, click Return. When the vacuum reaches 0.05 Pa, start heating and the annealing furnace will start working.